Hello YouTube fam, I'm Mon and this is Mars, and today we're showing you 10 simple ways you can update your home without spending too much money or without spending any money at all. It is possible to give your home a fresh new look without breaking the bank or without making any major renovations. I've been doing it for years and today I'm showing you how you can do it too. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really means the world to us. We are starting off with doing an accent wall, which is such an easy and budget way to upgrade your home on a seriously tight budget. Rather you decide to just paint a wall or apply wallpaper, it will give you a brand new vibe to your whole space. Recently, I did a DIY concrete wall at my friend's living room. It literally costed less than $40. You can head on to check it out. I'll link the full tutorial down below. If you want to invest in just one piece to upgrade your home, I'll always go for a new rug. Rugs are the best way to give your space a new life. Just by swapping up your rug to something new, you can change the whole mood of the room. It's also a budget-friendly way to add a new color or pattern to your space. And here are two of my favorite budget-friendly rugs you can grab from IKEA. Moving your furniture around can make the biggest difference in your space. It is indeed another great way to change up the flow in your whole space. Just by changing out the layout and experimenting with different positions of your existing furniture, you can give your space a fresh new look without spending any money. Sometimes all your space needs is a little bit of rearranging to make it feel brand new. Adding new art to your walls is another great way to upgrade your home on a seriously tight budget. You can just find a print you like, print it out, and you're all set. However, if you want to take it to the next level, but still keep it on a budget, you can do a DIY textured wall art with plaster. Plaster wall arts are so popular nowadays, they are so easy to do, yet they turned out looking so high-end. I have so many tutorials on how to do it on my channel. I'll make sure to leave all of them into the description box so you can check them out. Shelves are a great way to add storage and display your decor in a brand new way. They are also a budget-friendly way to upgrade your space and give it a completely new look. You can get them from IKEA, where you can find so many beautiful yet inexpensive options. I have the Maslanda picture ledges from IKEA and they look amazing. Probably the easiest way to update your home and give it a fresh new look is to declutter. Clutter can make your space feel small and cramped. By decluttering, you'll make your space feel so much bigger and so much fresher. Go to your home and get rid of anything that you don't need or use. Keep visual clutter out of sight and only keep things and decor you really enjoy seeing every day. Swapping your pillow covers is another way you can change up the whole style in your space. Pillow covers are such budget-friendly way to update your home. You can buy new covers or make them your own using fabric scraps. This is also a great way to introduce a new shade of color or just add a different pattern to your space. Reupholstering is another way to give your furniture a fresh new look. You can use a new fabric to update the look of your chairs, or you can simply recover the seats with new foam and fabric. This is a budget-friendly way to upgrade your furniture and give your space a fresh look. Just a few days ago, I reupholstered my office chair myself, and it honestly turned out so good. You'll see it next week in my office makeover video. Swapping up the hardware in your kitchen, bathroom, or living room will make the biggest difference without breaking the bank. You can replace your cabinet knobs or drawer pulls, even faucets for a new look. This can be a quick and easy project that can be done in a weekend, and it doesn't require any major renovation. You can absolutely do it yourself. Lighting can make a huge difference in how a space feels. Adding ambient light, such as table lamps or floor lamps, can help you create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your space. If done right, lighting can change the vibe in the whole room. It's budget, and it will make your space feel super cozy. Do you have some tips and tricks on how to update your home on a budget? If you do, make sure to share them in the comment section below. I would love to hear your ideas. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to never miss another video again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Let's take a sneak peek of how Mars is chilling right now. Say bye, Mars. Say subscribe to the channel. Say like and subscribe. Oh my god, you're adorable. You're the best, doggo. You're the best. You're adorable. You're adorable.